sit still. How you gonna sit? Are you just gonna lay down or look me in the face? Okay, bud. Okay, all right. You need to pick a spot. You want to sit here? Okay, sit down. Okay, blah. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY, fashion, and sewing videos. And also don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on a future upload. Today's video is yet another face mask tutorial because we are still in this pandemic, which I feel like is never going to end. It is August now. And I've already uploaded a few videos. If you want to check those out, I will link them below. There are so many different face masks out there, and I didn't even realize it until the pandemic started. I wanted to upload a bunch of different ones so you guys can choose which mask you want to make, and some of them are easier than others. This one is very simple. Like, making a face mask is not super hard. I am fairly new to making these type of face masks. I've only made 2. This is my second one. So I'm improving each time, and I never made face masks before this whole thing started. So it's kind of new for me as well because there really wasn't a need for it. I do not have a pattern for this. I use one of my face masks that is very similar. I am going to link a pattern below that I found on Pinterest. You guys can just follow that. There's different sizing. There's adult size, kid size. So I'll link that below. You can check that out. But this one is pretty thick. That is the only thing with it being so hot out right now. It will do a better job protecting you, probably. I don't know. I hope so. But this one, I love this print. I had some leftover print from the skirt that I'm wearing. It is a mermaid material and it is from Joann. I believe it is still available. And as far as the elastic goes, these are hair ties. This is the best thing I have found, and my sister-in-law gave me these. Thank you so much, Erin. And these are available on Amazon. I will get her to send me the link, and I will link that down below as well, where you can purchase these if they are still available. If not, you can always use hair ties. I know that works really good too. Just make sure you use really good ones so they don't break. But I'll show you guys what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. And it is super comfortable with these hair ties. They're really soft. It's perfect. Doesn't hurt my ears. It doesn't fold my ears down. And it fits my face really good. It is very, very hot though. So I really hope this helps you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, please. Comment below. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Take your fabric and fold it right sides together. Start cutting out the pattern, and you can use the one that I link below, or you can use a face mask that you already own. Do the same thing again, and now you should have 4 pieces total. Keep your fabric right sides together and then pin the front of the face mask. Sew it together. Take your face mask and put it right sides together. Pin the top of the mask and the bottom of the mask. Do not pin the sides of the mask. Now sew your pieces together. Trim off any excess fabric. Turn it inside out. Take your hair ties or elastic, put it on the inside of the face mask, fold it over once and then fold it over again. Make sure you have enough material to where you can sew right beside it and not sew on the elastic. And do not forget to backstitch. So here is the face mask. I'm all finished with with it, and I absolutely love it. I love this material. It's so bright. I had just enough material, so you don't need a lot of material. I mean, not even half a yard. So if you have scrap fabric laying around, try to use it, you know, see if you have enough. It doesn't take a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you thought, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.